Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's doing well. Now today I'm making another quick and easy dessert recipe. I'm making a condensed milk and Granadilla fridge tart. Please give this video a like. I would really appreciate it. And of course you would be supporting my channel. Okay, now in my bowl I've already crushed up about 200 grams of tennis biscuits. In this bowl, I'm going to add a packet of Granadilla jelly, and to my jelly, I'm going to add 1 cup of boiling water. And now, of course, you could do lemon or lime jelly as well. So I'm just going to place my jelly aside, just to cool off. Now, like I said, in this bowl, I've already added 200 grams of crushed up tennis biscuits. And to that, I'm going to add 100 grams of melted butter. And I'm just making sure that all my biscuits is coated with the butter. So now I'm just going to add it to my pie dish. Now you could do any dish of your choosing. So now I'm just going to place it in the fridge or in the freezer just until it's firmed up. Okay, so now I'm gonna finish my filling. My jelly is slightly cooled. So to my jelly, I'm going to add a full can of sweetened condensed milk. And I'm going to add about 115 grams of Granadilla pulp. You could do more or less. I'm also going to add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now the part you will taste as you go. So I'm going to start by adding 3 tablespoons. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons. So I removed my crust from the fridge. I'm just going to pour my mixture straight into it. Now remember, like I said, you can add more of the Granadilla. You can add more lemon juice. Just taste as you go. So now this is just going to go in the fridge for a few hours until it's fully set. Okay guys, so I removed my tart from the fridge. I've just spread a thin layer of cream on top. I have more cream in my piping bag. And I'm just going to do a border. I also have some extra Granadilla.